A new home, a new life. So many things changing. Sights and sounds, new smells, strange food, complicated rules for living. Yet one thing remains the same: your love for your family. Mothers, sons, wives, and brothers. You want them all to be happy and healthy. We can help. Let us navigate this new world with you. Together, we can build healthier families and a healthier you. In many instances, making purchases with cash is the best idea, but building credit is also important. Credit allows you to make a large purchase, like a car or a house, and then make payments over time to pay for that item. Credit is defined as the ability of a customer to obtain goods or services before payment, based on the trust that payment will be made in the future. Having good credit allows you to make large purchases. It also means you may be able to get low insurance rates. Good credit may help you get a better job because it shows you are reliable. It may also help you rent a home by showing the landlord that you are trustworthy. Before a vendor gives you credit, they make a judgment on whether you are likely to pay it back based on your credit history. If you don't have a credit history, it's hard to get a loan, a credit card, or rent a house. If you don't have a credit history, here are 5 choices to help you start building credit. Apply for one credit card with a low credit limit from a place where you regularly shop, like a gas station or clothing store. Apply for a secured credit card. You will need to make a cash deposit first, then use the card for small things you would buy regularly. Pay the full balance each month. Choose a secured card with a low fee and make sure it reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Apply for a credit builder loan. The money you borrow is kept in an account until you have paid it back. It is like being forced to have a savings account, but it helps establish your credit. Take out a loan with help from a cosigner. The person who cosigns the loan with you will be responsible to pay back the money if you don't. Ask a friend or family member to add you to their credit card as an authorized user. You can use the card and build your credit history, but the friend or family member will be responsible for the debt if you don't pay it off. A credit report shows how well you have used credit in the past. Your credit score uses the information on your credit report to predict whether you can be trusted to pay back credit in the future. Lenders have different definitions of good credit, but generally a score below 629 is considered poor credit, 630 to 689 is considered to be fair or average, and 690 and above is good credit. To build your credit score, you will need to have at least one credit account open for at least 6 months, and you will need to have at least one creditor reporting your activity to the credit bureaus over the past 6 months. You can improve your credit score with 5 simple steps. Pay your bills on time, all the time. Use your credit card for routine purchases like gas or food, but be sure to pay it off each month. Don't carry a balance that is more than 30% of the allowable credit. Don't open several new credit accounts at once. Only apply for credit that you really need. Keep accounts open and active for as long as possible, unless you have a high annual fee. Check your credit reports each year for mistakes. If you see wrong information, send a letter to the credit bureau with proof of the error. They should respond within 30 days. There are many companies who determine credit scores, so you may be assigned different scores and they may change often. The goal is to keep your credit score within a healthy range, and higher numbers are better. Building a good credit score takes time, but it is important because it shows businesses that you are reliable and trustworthy. If you use credit responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits without accumulating bad debt, working together to build healthier families and a healthier you.